Do you know there are soup in Akwa Ibom State and Calabar that is very delicious, even super delicious than Afang soup and Edikaikong that is popularly known? Come with me today as I show you how to make Abak Atama. I'll be using goat meat and stockfish. You can use any protein of your choice. You can also use cow meat, palm kernel nuts. I'll be using crayfish. I'll be using fresh pepper, a little water leaf. Water leaf is optional, but it gives it a nice consistency. I'll also be using smoked catfish and of course atama leaf. Hello guys, you are welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Emem N. So let's go ahead and season our meat. Add my salt, also add my bouillon cube and water. Cook my meat till it's soft and tender. So while my meat is cooking, I've already washed my banga, so I'll go ahead, add some water and boil it. I like washing my fish with salt. This helps to remove any sand on the skin of the fish. If you wash your fish with only warm water, you end up having sand. So when you wash it with salt, it helps to remove sand. And I also rinse it with hot water to make sure I don't have any sand in my soup. I'll go ahead and wash my water leaf and give it a proper rinse with salt. And I cut my leaf nicely and set aside. Pluck my atama leaf and I will go ahead and show you how to cut it as an Akwa Ibom girl. So this is how we wrap it. I decided to make this video like this so that even though you don't know how to cook atama at all, just stick to this video, follow it to the very end. You'll be able to cook atama. Just go to any local market of your choice, you pick all the ingredients and you cook a very super delicious atama soup. And I would like to hear from you in the comment section. If you watched this video till this very time and you find this content interesting, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So for atama leaf, you will first of all cut it before washing it. Give it a good rinse. I normally wash it and rinse it properly with salt. Guys, I like rinsing my vegetables with salt. It helps to, remove any bacteria or whatever on the leaf. Okay, it makes the leaf to be very, very clean and healthy. My palm kernel is cooked and soft. I go ahead and pound. If you have a good food processor that can pound it for you, you can use it. This is me doing it the local way, and I'm pounding with my mortar. I'm done pounding, so I put it in a base and add some water that is enough to extract the juice from the palm fruits. Alright, so you will not wash it too watery so that you will not cook your banga for too long. So I'm done washing. I filter it because there are always residue in the banga juice. When you are done washing, it's very important that you wash into another pot or another basin before you filter into the main pot that you are using to cook the soup proper. That's what I'm doing here. My banga juice is ready. I put it on fire and boil till the juice becomes thick. And I go in with my stockfish and my goat meat. Just go ahead and add all your protein. We start cooking our soup proper. And I add my catfish or any fish of your choice. I go in with my crayfish and my bouillon cube. Go ahead and taste your soup to know if you need to adjust the taste of your soup. And my own is okay, so I go ahead and add my water leaf first. Add extra crayfish. As an Akwa Ibom girl, I love a lot of crayfish in my soup. I cook with little seasoning cube but more of crayfish, and that's the signature of a good Akwa Ibom delicacy. And then I go in with my atama leaf. This is white atama. When you are buying your atama, always check. We have white atama and this black atama. The black one is bitter, so you check for and look for the white one. The white one, once you are done cutting, you just give it a good rinse it with a little salt and it's ready. But if you buy the black one, you're going to wash and wash and wash till the bitterness is off the leaf before you can be able to cook. And I can tell you for free that the white one is more delicious than the black one. So always cut a little and taste with the tip of your tongue in the market, or just ask the local market women, is this white atama? And if it's white atama, you are good to go. And then look at what we have here, super delicious. I love atama. I love Abak Atama. I will go for the soup even much. See, this soup, I love it more than Afan soup. I can tell you for free, it's so delicious. I would like to hear from you in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope you found this interesting and helpful. And if you are new to the channel, you are welcome. Please join the family by subscribing to my channel. Click on the notification so that you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. And to my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you. I see you all. Thank you for the support. Thank you everyone. See you in my next video. Bye bye.